Namaste and a very good morning, dear students. This is Yojana ma'am with your maths class. Children, we are going to start with a new topic today, and that is money. So, let us get into the class and learn.
So let us start with the class of money. So children, you already know that in India, the currency that we are using, means the money that we are using is in form of rupees. Or the shorter form of these rupees are paise. And 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Earlier we used to write these rupees as capital R and small s. But now we use a symbol, and that is the symbol of rupees, like Hindi letter R. So this is the symbol of rupees. Now forms of money. We can use our money in two forms. There can be coins and there can be notes also. You have already studied this in class 1, so let us see which coins that we are using. We have 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. And then there were some coins that we were earlier using but now they are not in use. 1 paisa coin, 2 paise coin, 3 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise and 25 paise. So these days we are not using these coins. We have one new coin also, and that is a 20 rupees coin, which has just been introduced. Now we will talk about the notes that we are using. We have 1 rupee note, 2 rupees note, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, and 2000 rupees. These are called denominations of the notes. So these are the denominations that we are using. We had some notes that are not in circulation now. That is 500 rupees and 1000 rupees. Children, we do not have 1000 rupees now, but we have 500, but that note is entirely different from the old one. So this old 500 rupee note is not in use now. And a particular amount of money can be in different combinations. Understood? No. Let us take one example. For example, I have rupees 5. Uh, in how many combinations can I have it? I'll show you some examples. See, we can have 5 rupees in this form, means 2 rupees notes and 1 rupee note. Then we can have 2 rupees notes and 1 rupee coin. Then we can have all the coins of 1 rupee each, which will add up to rupees 5. You can think of different combinations also. Think yourself for making rupees 5, rupees 10. So we are just wanting to tell you that any amount of money can be in different combinations. Now, children, you must have seen such tags. These are called price tags. So where you see here, there is money written over here that this whatever um, cloth, dress, this is of this much amount. So how can we read this amount? This money can be read as 75 rupees 50 paise. So whatever amount we have, see if we have amount written like this. So we should know that this is rupees, then this is paise, and this dot, this separates rupees and paise. Means if we have a dot between the, when money is written like this and we have dot. So on the left hand side, we have rupees and on the right hand side, we have paise. Let us understand this. Some examples. See, this is 10 rupees 25 paise. We just did that on the left hand side of the dot we have rupees and on the right hand side we have paise. See here, it is 29 rupees and 70 paise. More examples, 30 rupees 65 paise, 53 rupees 20 paise. Now see here, it is just written 75p. So this p is abbreviation for paise. So this amount is 75 paise. One more thing, if you see some zeros written in place of rupees and after point you have some amount written. So that is only paise. See here, 0 rupees means there are no rupees. So we can just say it is 25 paise. Whatever amount is after the dot, that belongs to paise. Now, how to write the given amount in figures? For example, if we have 12 rupees and 35 paise. So first of all, we have to use the symbol of rupees and then write rupees. How many rupees? 12. Then we have to separate these rupees from paise. So what do? We are going to put a dot and then 35 paise. So see, how can we write this amount? It can be written like rupees 12.35. Some more examples. 33 rupees and 33 paise. Again, symbol of rupees, 33.33. 50 paise. Now 50 paise, we know the abbreviation for paise, so we can just write 50p. And if we want to write it in dot form, then there are no rupees. So in place of rupees, we can write 0 and then after point, we can write 50. See, like this. Symbol of rupees, 00.50. Children, I hope you have understood the concept, right? So revise it and take care. Thank you very much.